Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid in Jurassic World Evolution 2. A well-planned grid system is crucial for creating an efficient and visually appealing park. It helps you manage space effectively, ensuring smooth guest flow and optimal dinosaur visibility. We'll cover the foundational steps to lay out your park with precision, making sure every building and path serves a purpose. This approach will save you time and resources in the long run, leading to a highly successful and profitable operation. To begin, establish a main central path, which will serve as the backbone of your park's grid. Utilize the path tool to lay down perfectly straight segments, connecting them with precise 90-degree angles. This creates a clean, organized framework. Next, use your fencing tool to outline the initial shapes of your dinosaur enclosures, aligning them parallel to your main paths. Aim for large, rectangular, or square areas to maximize usable space and simplify future expansions. This foundational step is key for a structured layout. With your paths and enclosures in place, it's time to strategically position your guest facilities. Place amenities like restrooms, shops, and restaurants directly adjacent to your main pathways to ensure maximum visibility and accessibility for your visitors. Next, deploy power stations to provide electricity to all your essential buildings and fences. Remember to connect these facilities using smaller, perpendicular paths, maintaining the grid's integrity. This systematic placement ensures efficient operations and a seamless guest experience throughout your park. As your park grows, continue to expand your grid by extending existing paths and creating new, interconnected enclosures. Always strive for consistent spacing and alignment to maintain that clean, organized aesthetic. Remember, a well-defined grid makes it easier to manage your park's logistics and guest flow. Finally, integrate decorative elements like trees, rocks, and water features within and around your grid. These touches will significantly enhance the visual appeal, making your Jurassic World Evolution 2 park truly spectacular and highly functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.